You don't need to spend premium money to film your next big adventure. The best cheap action cameras now deliver performance and features once reserved for the top-tier models, making it easier than ever to record your rides, hikes, and holidays in stunning clarity. Advances in imaging sensors and stabilization tech have filtered down, so even budget-friendly options can shoot crisp 4K footage, capture smooth motion, and handle rough conditions without complaint. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best budget action cameras and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. When DJI unveiled the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I called it maybe the only vlogging camera you need. And honestly, it's easy to see why. The biggest upgrade is the large 1-inch sensor, the same size you'll find in the Sony ZV-1 II. That's a massive deal for a camera this small, delivering noticeably better image quality and much stronger low-light performance compared to typical pocket-sized options. There's also a brand new, larger swiveling touchscreen, making it incredibly easy to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. Whether you're creating content for YouTube or social media, it adapts instantly to your workflow. But what truly makes the Osmo Pocket 3 shine for vloggers is its intelligent follow modes combined with reliable face tracking. If you're filming solo, just set it down and it automatically rotates and tilts to keep you perfectly framed. Even during walk and talk shots, you don't have to worry about focus or constantly adjusting the camera. It simply follows you smoothly and accurately. Of course, it's not perfect. The reduced resolution makes it less ideal for photography, and the price is noticeably higher than the previous generation. Still, if your priority is high-quality, stabilized video in a compact, easy-to-use package, the Osmo Pocket 3 might just replace everything else in your vlogging kit. Insta360 X5. If you're serious about 360-degree video, the Insta360 X5 represents a major step forward. Insta360 has made a big leap in image quality this time around, thanks to a much larger 1/1.28-inch sensor. A significant upgrade over the previous X4's smaller half-an-inch chip. The result? Better detail, improved dynamic range, and noticeably stronger performance overall. One of the biggest upgrades is the new Pure Video mode, which uses AI-powered noise reduction to deliver clearer, brighter footage in low-light conditions. That means night shots and indoor clips look far cleaner and more usable than before. When it comes to resolution, the X5 captures up to 8K in full 360 degrees. Once you reframe or flatten the footage, it outputs in 4K, still incredibly sharp for traditional viewing. There's also a new Instaframe mode that lets you record both a standard flat video and a 360-degree version at the same time, with no extra rendering or editing required. That's a huge time saver for creators. Editing is another strong point. Insta360's Insta360 Studio software remains one of the best in the business, offering tools and flexibility that easily outperform many competing apps. The only real downside? The $550 price tag. It's a premium camera, and it's priced like one. But if cutting-edge 360 quality and powerful editing tools matter to you, the Insta360 X5 might be worth every dollar. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The new GoPro Hero 13 Black might look familiar at first glance, especially if you've used the Hero 12. Internally, not much has changed, but externally, it's a completely different story. The biggest upgrade is the introduction of the new HB series modular lenses. You now get options like ultra-wide, anamorphic, and macro lenses, giving action creators far more creative flexibility than before. Whether you're capturing cinematic widescreen shots or extreme close-ups, this system makes the Hero 13 more versatile than ever. Battery life also sees a small but meaningful improvement. With a slightly larger battery, you can now record up to 90 minutes of 4K at 30 frames per second, which is great for longer adventures or extended shooting sessions. As for core specs, they remain top tier. You still get up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second in 10-bit color with high data rates, plus the 8:7 aspect ratio capture that uses the entire sensor for maximum flexibility in post-production. And when it comes to stabilization, nothing beats GoPro's HyperSmooth. It remains the best digital stabilization system in the action camera world. Add in the full-color front screen and class-leading image quality, and the Hero 13 Black continues to set the standard. So while it's not a complete internal overhaul, the modular lens system and improved battery life make this a meaningful upgrade for serious action creators. AKASO Brave 4 Pro. If you're searching for the best budget action camera right now, the AKASO Brave 4 Pro is an easy recommendation. It may not be the newest model in the Brave lineup, but thanks to newer releases, the price has dropped, and that makes it an incredible value at around the $100 mark. For that price, you're getting 4K video at 30 frames per second, solid electronic stabilization, and even a front-facing screen, which is perfect for vlogging. That's something you don't always see in this price range. In real-world use, the Brave 4 Pro feels surprisingly feature-packed. The stabilization is noticeably improved compared to cheaper AKASO models, making it a dependable option for run-and-gun shooting, travel videos, or action sports. Video quality holds up well across different resolutions, and it's not just about video. You also get useful photo features like burst mode and shake reduction. Now, it's not perfect. The controls can feel a bit unintuitive at times, and you may find yourself digging through menus more than you'd like. But honestly, that's fairly common with action cameras at this price point. One major bonus is the accessories. Like most AKASO cameras, it comes loaded with mounts and extras right in the box, including an underwater housing, helmet mounts, handlebar mounts, a remote control, and more. Overall, if you want 4K recording, decent stabilization, and tons of accessories without spending a fortune, the AKASO Brave 4 Pro is one of the best budget action cameras you can buy today. AKASO EK7000 Pro. If you're looking for one of the cheapest 4K action cameras on the market, the AKASO EK7000 Pro might already be on your radar. This upgraded version of the 2016 EK7000 adds the Pro name and introduces 4K recording, all while staying incredibly affordable. In fact, it's possibly one of the most budget-friendly action cameras out there. Now, at this price point, it's fair to be skeptical. Can a $70 action camera really deliver decent performance? After testing it, the answer is yes, but with a few compromises. Let's start with the basics. In terms of capturing photos and videos, it gets the job done. You're working with 20MP still images, and for video, Full HD at 60 frames per second actually looks the best. It's sharp enough and smooth enough for social media content, travel clips, and casual adventures. However, it's not perfect. The companion app didn't perform reliably in our testing, and enabling stabilization introduced noticeable noise into the footage. So while 4K is technically available, the real sweet spot for quality is 1080p at 60p. The key here is expectations. If you're realistic about what a $70 action camera can do, the AKASO EK7000 Pro becomes a surprisingly credible budget option. It's not a GoPro competitor, but for beginners or anyone who just wants affordable action footage, it's hard to ignore. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.